Today we are going to see about counter. In counter we have different types: up counter, down counter, reset counter, pause counter. These are all the outputs. So if it is up counter, it will increment value based on its time step. If we check inside logic, this is implementation. So this is step value and this is feedback one. So every time for every sample time step, what it will do means it will increment this value by 1. So here you are seeing this output. For down counter, this is implementation. Every time it will decrease with 1 time step. Here difference is like minus and plus. This is reset up counter. So output will be like this. It will start and it will increment till certain that threshold value. Once that threshold it reaches that threshold value, it will reset it to 0. Again it will increment. Once it reaches that threshold value, again it will reset. So this is reset up counter. So to achieve this, we want to increment this value. Once it reaches that threshold value, it will set that value as 0. So that 0 will be set it as feedback. Again it will increment with 1. So this will remains. This is reset counter and downwards, which means like it will start from threshold value and it will decrease till 0. Once it reaches 0, again it will start with the threshold value. So this is implementation. Here if we check, it will start with this threshold value and this will send it to feedback. It will decrease every time step based on that step value, and once it reaches 0, again it will start with 5. So this will continue as it is. This is logic for reset down counter. And this is pass counter. In pass counter, what it will do means it will increment that value, and once it reaches that threshold value, it will hold that value till end of the simulation. And this is that logic. Initial value will be 0, so it will take else part. In else part, it will send 1. If it is 1 and previous value is 0 means then output will be 1, and next time step 1 is added with this one, so it will be like 2 will be added with 1, 3, 4. So next after the certain time stamp, it will give us 5. So once it reaches 5, this is threshold value. If this is equal to true, then it will take true path, so it will send it to 0. So here we will get 0. 0 will be added with that threshold value, like that feedback value. Feedback value will be like 5. 5 plus 0, it will be like 5. So again it will continue as it is. Because here it remains 5, because of this condition will be satisfied and always it will remain true until end of this simulation. We'll see step by step. So first timestamp, up counter is increasing, down counter is decreasing, and reset counter is increasing in starting increasing manner, and it is for down counter it is decreasing from threshold value. For pass counter it is increasing. It reaches its threshold value 5. It reaches its 0 and 5. So here if we check, again it starts incrementing, again it starts incrementing from 0, it starts incrementing, it reaches that threshold value, again it will start decreasing, and here it reaches that threshold value, so it will remain as it is. Here one thing is like, if we want to start with 0, here if we check, like here it is starting with 1, if we want to start with 0, we want to add one delay block in this implementation. Now if we check, it will start from 0, not from 1. Now it is starting from 0. Similarly, wherever we want to start with 0, we can add that delay block at initial condition, so it will start with 0. So that's it for counters.